So you just got your Melomania M100 headphones and you're wondering how to customize them. Let's show you how to use the Melomania Connect app available on App and Play stores. Once downloaded, open the Melomania Connect app. You can see the charge levels of your earbuds and case, as well as your current firmware version. If there is a new firmware available, you'll be notified via a banner at the top of the page and an orange badge on the current firmware version. Below, you can begin to customize your earbuds. There are 3 modes of ambient noise control: normal, noise cancelling, and transparency. Noise cancelling mode removes unwanted background noise and has 3 different levels: low, medium, and high. Transparency mode lets you listen to your surroundings and also has 3 different levels: low, high, and voice focus. The equalizer lets you tailor your sound or lets you choose from 6 different Cambridge Audio tuned presets. In case you think we got it wrong, you can create up to 5 of your own presets using the 7-band EQ and save them as a custom preset. Scrolling down, you'll see the user guide. This is where you can get an in-depth walkthrough of touch control and LED guides available on your new M100 headphones. Touch controls can be turned on or off depending on your preference. Wear Detect automatically pauses playback when the buds are removed from your ear and resumes it when the buds are placed back in your ears. Mono mode activates mono audio in each earbud so you can listen with a friend. In audible feedback, there are 8 different languages to choose from, as well as tones or offs for those who prefer their listening uninterrupted. If you like a little drama in your life, we suggest choosing Southwark. If you'd like to take your headphones to bed, Sleep Mode disables touch controls and audible feedback until the headphones are placed in the charging case. Gaming Mode reduces latency to improve gaming and video experiences. Choose how long your headphones stay on when inactive with auto power off. Finally, visit the settings to send us feedback. We always welcome feedback about how we could improve. Register your product or get technical support. Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoy your new Melomania M100 headphones.